right in the beginning and you haven't had a conversation, even if they're like, Christian, we are all set on logistics, we're all set on inventory, like they want to shut you down, you still want to have a general net outcome statement, right?
Yeah.
No problem. Hey, totally get it. I will be here when you need blank. What's your blank?
Yeah, okay, so gonna say makes perfect sense to me. I will be here when you find yourself in that situation, needing to reclaim your time and attention instead of dealing with customer complaints, claims, or making up for communication issues. Fair
Boom.
enough?
I love it. Can I make one suggestion? And I'll put the recording up if you want. I will remove the find yourself in the situation part because they're there. Whether they want to admit it or not, they're in that situation. So, hey, no problem, Christian. Hey, I will be here when you need to reclaim your time, when you absolutely positively just do not have any more time, any more patience, and can't pick up the slack for all the failures in the supply chain. Fair enough, right? And now it's like, as soon as I leave, now all I did, I'm like Rambo, right? I set up the little Claymore mines. I put the freaking line across the trees. I'm going to eat my food out of the can, and I'm going to wait in the middle of the night, and then bang, 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 I'm just going to hear some explosions, right? Because I just set up a whole bunch of landmines, right? Instead of like, well, how can I tell you you're making a mistake? Or if I could have 5 minutes of your time, hey, that is awesome, right? I am glad to hear you got things locked down. I will be here when things get crazy and you need to absolutely positively make sure that your time is focused on what your time is and you're not having to cover for all of the things that are going on in the supply chain. Fair enough, or something to that degree, right? But it's just a human way of bringing it up. Great job, Christian. I'm super proud of you. You are well on your way, my brother. All of it was really good.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm gonna hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm gonna give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm gonna pay for everything. You're gonna close a lot more business. You're gonna make a lot more money. You're gonna have a lot more fun, and you're gonna be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm gonna be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're gonna say, yes, we did. And then you and I are gonna be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends, and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.